Hello, Beez Bladers, and welcome newcomers to the channel. Beez Blades has hit the 1,000 subscriber mark, and we flew past it, and we're not slowing down. All right. So we're going to get this giveaway rolling. Somewhere in this video may be a secret word needed to enter, so listen closely. So first of all, a big shout out to all of you that are already subscribed. Thank you for being a part of the Beez Blades journey. Second, a bigger shout out to all of you that consistently hit the thumbs up button, and that tells you, the YouTube algorithm, that people like the content and that it's worth sharing and worth showing to other knife lovers, right? So thirdly, a huge shout out to my patrons on Patreon for supporting the channel. Monetary and knife donations help this channel be what it is, and it helps us grow. I really appreciate that. So fourth, make sure to check out the community tab on the main page of Beez Blades. I put announcements, polls, I let you guys know when popular knives are back in stock so you can grab one before they're gone. So don't forget the community tab, it's really important. So fifth, I have a huge announcement to make, and that's why we now have a join button where you could be a channel member. There's many perks to being a channel member, some of which are emojis and badges you can use during the live streams. There's member-only live streams, member-only chat, member-only posts in the community tab, discounts on sales, behind-the-scenes footage, bloopers, early access, and a bunch more. So right next to the subscribe button is the join button. Click on that to see what the options are and see if you're interested. So sixth, in the description of every video are links to my Instagram, my mailing address, email address, and 10% off discount codes to White Mountain Knives, who also has free shipping, by the way, and 10% off at 3 Mojave Outdoor sites. Mojave Outdoor sells Kaiser. There's a site on Amazon, a site on eBay, and then their main site. So go check them out and you get the 10% off. And also KPL Knife Pivot Lube and knife maintenance supplies. You get 10% off of that, of which I am an affiliate. And anything I might get back due to that affiliation goes straight to giveaways. And if you're going to go check out knives on Amazon, go through one of the links in the description because I'm an Amazon affiliate and I may get a kickback from purchases you make. I always do everything to circle back around because that's what makes knife collecting so much more fun for me. So, number 7, if you don't use affiliate codes, you're not a channel member or a patron, the one way you can support Beez Blades is by taking just a couple seconds to tap the like button, and after the video, just make a comment. You don't even have to have an opinion about the knife, just be a part of the community and say hi. Or join on the live streams on Friday nights at 8:15. And I love the interaction, and so does the YouTube algorithm, so it's a win-win, right? All right, so we got all that housekeeping out of the way, announcements and blather and all that good stuff. So here are the 3 prize packages for the first giveaway. All right, we are back. So here is the first prize package, the fries package. Would you like some fries with that? Would you like a Coke? Please drive through. All right, so first I'm going to show you the swag that comes with this one. There's going to be 3 prize packages, okay? First, you get a Knives Fast sticker, and then you get a QSP sticker, and a Therapeutic Edge. Go follow these channel stickers. If you're not following them, go check them out. They're awesome channels. So there's Knives Fast and a Therapeutic Edge. And there's OCD for EDC. Go check out their channel. And this is a really sweet sticker. I don't have, but I think one left. Do something kind for someone. A community with a point. All right. That is very sweet. And there was some swag donated by Smoky Mountain Knife Works. Thank you for your donation, Smoky Mountain. There's a huge sticker. And then here's a Bear & Sons cutlery. You can barely see it, but that's a decal. Can you see there? It says Bear & Sons. And then there's Blades. This is a sweet sticker by Smoky Mountain Knife Works. That is really cool. Very nice. Very nice. And Grateful Panic Knife Reviews. If you're not following him, go follow him on Instagram. And also go subscribe to his YouTube channel. That's my bud. And this is not a sticker. This is a magnet. Oh, yeah, you saw it. All right, and then we have a Do Something Kind for Someone. And then we have Blue Collar Survival. He is the one who donated this sticker too. So go follow Blue Collar Survival. And then we have Decure and DeLam. Go follow Decure and DeLam, which is Blades and Leather is what that means. And Blade HQ. And then here's an artisan sticker. So I love giving the swag. And also go follow Lions Jewelry and EDC. He's always in the live chats. I really enjoy talking with him. And then Big Red EDC. If you haven't heard of Big Red, where you been? Go follow Big Red. And last but not least, you get a nice fancy shiny Beez Blades sticker. So there's your swag pack with this. And then here's a couple more things. You get Blue Collar Survival, which is very nice, very, very nice. Nice wristband. And then this, which is a heavy duty Smoky Mountain Knife Works. If it cuts, we carry it. Celebrating 40 years. This is a magnet. Throw that up on the refrigerator, right? Look at that, it's nice. It's nice, it's heavy duty, heavy duty. And then one more thing here is you get a patch, a Wii and Civivi patch, which is very nice. It's thick, I'm gonna leave it in the package. And then, the knife you're getting with this package is, it was donated to the channel by White Mountain Knives. I had a brain fart. White Mountain Knives, thank you very much for donating to this to the channel. I'm going to donate this to the community. Do something kind for someone. Even though this is like my favorite small knife, it's going to be my top 5 or top 10 of 2021. It's got a little white thing on there. There we go. But this is the CJRB Mylea, and wow, it's an exclusive to White Mountain Knives. Would you look at that? I'm not carrying this one. I'm saving this one, keeping it pristine for the owner, the new owner that wins it. But would you look at that? That is sweet. I mean, just look at it. I love the red accents, that red pivot collar. That is awesome. So there is prize pack number 1. So moving that to the side, let's get to prize pack number 2. Here is the swag. You get the Blue Collar Survival. Do something kind for someone. And you also get the Bear and Son cutlery. I can't really get it to where you can see. There you go. You see you got a big paw print right there. Bear and Son cutlery. That's a nice decal. Very nice. Very, very nice. Mojave Outdoor. Artisan. The Last Ranger. If you're not following The Last Ranger, go follow him on Instagram. And also subscribe to him on YouTube. He's an awesome dude. He has the Under 1000 wall. Go check him out and check out the Under 1000 wall on YouTube. And then subscribe to all of them. A Therapeutic Edge. Very awesome dude. Go follow A Therapeutic Edge. It's an awesome channel. You get a Knife Pivot Lube sticker. And then you got a Grateful Panic Knife Reviews. This one is a sticker. It's shagadelic. Then Sharper Things, the Upside Down's largest knife store. Man, that's pretty nice. That was donated by Smoky Mountain Knife Works. A Big Red EDC sticker. Look at there. Last Ranger sticker. And then a QSP. I love swag, and I know most of you guys do too. So that's why there's a pile of swag. Alliance Jewelry stickers in this one too. Blade HQ. DeCure and DeLam. Blue Collar Survival decal. All right. And what's this one here? Another QSP sticker. And then last but not least, Beez Blades. So here is, oh, there's 2 more things I almost forgot. You also get a Wii and Civivi patch, heavy duty, very nice patch, and a Smoky Mountain Knife Works cleaning cloth, still in the plastic. How about that? And here is the knife that you're going to get, is a Kaiser Domen. Ooh, look at that. Look at that. And boy, this thing is a slicey, dicey thing. It is really slicey. There you go. I mean, look at that blade. Would you just look at it? Swing, 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 swing. So there's what you're going to get with this prize pack. Kaiser Domen. Ooh, look at that. Nice shadow boxing. This is a sweet, sweet knife. Someone's going to be getting this knife is in excellent condition. It hasn't been used. It is in perfect condition. So there is prize pack number 2. So let's get this one out of the way. Are you ready? Here is the swag for the first place gift. Do something kind for someone. Blades. And if you haven't gone over and subscribed, go subscribe to Women Carry Knives. Awesome channel. She has got some awesome content. My wife follows her. My wife loves this channel. I love this channel. Go follow Christine at Women Carry Knives. QSP, Suburban Tactical Nation. Another awesome channel. Go subscribe to Suburban Tactical Nation. Lions Jewelry and EDC. Blue Collar Survival. Wow, look at that. Is that not a sweet sticker? I mean, that is cool. And, you know, it's black and red. Couldn't have picked better colors, right? And Blue Collar Survival. And Off-Grid Knives. Just all kinds of swag. Smoky Mountain Knife Works. Decur and DeLam. Grateful Panic Knife Reviews. All shagadelic. Sharper Things. The Upside Down's largest knife store. Smoky Mountain Knife Works. Knives Fast. OCD for EDC. Go follow and subscribe. Big Red EDC. Blade HQ. Artisan. The Last Ranger. And last but not least, Beez Blades. Now, just a note, this knife, the Kaiser Doman, this was donated by Jack's Longs. Jake, otherwise known as Jack's Longs, thank you for donating this to the channel for the giveaway. We're going to pass this on to another lucky person, do something kind for someone. So, here's a little bit of more swag you get with this prize pack. You also get one of the wristbands. You get a this is new, not used. It's a knife knife cleaner. What do you call it? I don't know, Hank. And then you also get Smoky Mountain Knife Works, 40 years. This is a deck of cards from Smoky Mountain Knife Works. You also get a deck of cards. And the knife, if you haven't been following the channel, then you might not know. But if you follow Beez Blades, you already know. The ZT-0350. Ho, 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 look at that. This was donated by Jack's Longs. Or Jake. Look at that. That is a sweet knife. I mean, this is the real deal, boys and girls, men and women, gentlemen and ladies. S30V steel, sharp. I've carried it. I haven't used it for cutting or doing anything. I didn't want to mess it up. I've cut paper with it. I've been real easy on it because I knew this was going to go to someone else in a new home. And if you don't know about this knife, go look it up. You'll be a little surprised at the price tag of this bad boy. It's assisted. This thing is a beast. It is a mini beast. Fits the hand really well. I mean, it is the real deal. Look at that. Your thumb fits right in there. Great ergos. I'm going to do a video on this one before I give it to the new owner. But I'm going to go ahead and go over the rules. Are you ready? We're going to go over the rules. This will only take a second. So here's the 3 knives. They're going to be given away. Are you ready? This is the exciting part. All right, so these rules are going to be in the description of the video. So you don't have to worry if you don't hear. You can look in the description of this video and see these rules listed out. Number 1, you must be 18 or over or have a parent's permission to enter. Number 2, I am the sponsor of this giveaway and YouTube has nothing to do with it. Number 3, you are responsible for knowing your local knife laws. Number 4, I do absolutely nothing with your information other than for me to ship you the prize. I have no use for your info, and it's nobody else's business anyway. Number 5, I will ship international, but you have to pay anything over $10, and I will not be held responsible for what happens after I drop the prize off at the post office. You take all associated risk with shipping and shipping costs if you're out of the continental United States. Number, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Number 6, if you win, you must email me within 48 hours of the giveaway winner's announcement video or live stream, whichever it turns out to be. If you're international, I must receive your portion of the shipping within 48 hours of contact, or the prize will go into another giveaway. If a prize is not claimed within 48 hours by email, it will go into another giveaway. I strongly suggest you hit the bell button and select all so you don't miss the drawing of winners. This giveaway will run for 2 weeks, or if we hit 1,500 subscribers, whichever comes first. You must be subscribed to Beez Blades, hit the like button on this video, and make a comment in the comment section below, and just say something positive about the knife community. I said there might be a secret word, and it looks like there is not. So saying it one more time, subscribe to Beez Blades, hit the like button, and make a comment saying something positive about the knife community. So all of this stuff is in the description of the video. I'm going to go ahead and cut it short because there's nothing else we need to do. Let the commenting be good. Good luck to everybody. Remember to live life in the present. Keep a Band-Aid handy. And don't cut yourself.